Let's take a minute to talk about your Polaris account, because honestly, it's one of the best tools you have as a new owner. If you haven't set yours up yet, now's the perfect time. You can do it right on Polaris.com, or just download the free Polaris app, whichever is easier for you. Think of your Polaris account as your personal hub for everything related to your vehicle. Signing up takes just a moment, costs nothing, and helps you get more out of your ownership. So, what can your account do for you? Well, for starters, it helps you manage your vehicles and access helpful owner resources all in one spot. No more hunting around for answers. Instead, keep track of your vehicles, their maintenance schedules, access owner's manuals, connect with your dealer, and more. To get even more out of every ride, you'll be able to access Ride Command, our technology ecosystem that allows you to discover new trails, save your favorite routes, and relive your best rides whenever you want. If you're looking for new off-road experiences, your account can help you explore rental opportunities all over the globe with Polaris Adventures. A Polaris account makes it easier than ever to shop for accessories, parts, and maintenance essentials for your vehicle. You'll also get personalized accessory recommendations and be the first to hear about promotions and owner-only experiences. You'll even get birthday surprises from Polaris. Just a little something to make your day extra special. Getting started is simple. Just head to Polaris.com or download the Polaris app. Click Sign Up and follow the steps to create your account and complete your profile. Add your vehicle to your garage, update your personal info, and you're ready to enjoy all the features and benefits. Remember, your Polaris account isn't just about convenience. It's about making every ride better, keeping you connected, and helping you get the most out of your Polaris experience.